Welcome back to Dekolova, where beautiful homes become endless inspiration for creating spaces filled with warmth, elegance, and personality. Today, we're stepping inside a breathtaking cottage that perfectly blends soft blue and antique white, creating a home that feels peaceful, refined, and wonderfully timeless. Rather than chasing bold trends, this cottage celebrates gentle colors, graceful details, and handcrafted charm that never goes out of style. Every room tells a quiet story, inviting us to slow down, appreciate thoughtful design, and discover how vintage elegance can still feel fresh in 2026. Whether you're decorating a countryside retreat or simply dreaming of a cozy sanctuary, this tour is filled with inspiring ideas waiting to transform your own home. Our journey begins outside, where the cottage immediately captures attention with its calming palette of powdery soft blue siding paired beautifully with antique white trim. The gentle contrast creates an inviting first impression that feels both classic and effortlessly sophisticated. Large white framed windows reflect the surrounding gardens, while climbing roses and flowering hydrangeas soften every corner with natural beauty. Stone pathways meander through carefully planted borders, giving visitors the feeling of approaching a home that has quietly existed for generations. The architecture embraces traditional cottage proportions while subtle modern updates ensure the home feels relevant, balanced, and perfectly suited for today's lifestyle. Stepping onto the front porch feels like entering a peaceful retreat designed for slow mornings and relaxing evenings. Antique white wooden columns frame the entrance gracefully, while soft blue shutters echo the exterior walls with understated elegance. A vintage wooden bench layered with linen cushions, embroidered pillows, and cozy knitted throws invites guests to linger a little longer. Terracotta pots overflow with lavender, white daisies, and delicate ivy, filling the air with natural fragrance. Every decorative choice feels intentional, proving that true cottage charm isn't created through extravagance, but through carefully selected pieces that bring warmth, texture, and authenticity to everyday living. As the front door opens, the welcoming atmosphere continues with an entryway that immediately establishes the home's graceful personality. Antique white paneled walls brighten the narrow space, while soft blue accents appear through painted furniture, vintage ceramics, and carefully chosen artwork. An aged oak console table displays fresh flowers arranged inside weathered pitchers, creating a beautiful balance between rustic simplicity and refined elegance. A vintage mirror reflects natural sunlight deeper into the hallway, making the entrance feel brighter and more spacious. Even this modest space demonstrates that first impressions are built through thoughtful details rather than overwhelming decoration. The living room becomes the heart of this beautiful cottage, where every furnishing contributes to an atmosphere of calm sophistication. Plush linen sofas in antique white create a bright foundation, while soft blue cushions introduce gentle layers of color without overpowering the room. Vintage coffee tables crafted from reclaimed oak add warmth and history, complemented by carefully selected antique accessories collected over many years. Natural woven baskets, textured wool blankets, and handcrafted ceramics introduce organic textures that make the room feel wonderfully lived in. Large windows flood the interior with daylight, allowing every soft shade and vintage detail to reveal its quiet beauty throughout the day. Moving into the dining room, we discover a space designed for meaningful conversations and memorable family gatherings. A beautifully weathered farmhouse dining table becomes the centerpiece, surrounded by antique white spindleback chairs featuring soft blue seat cushions that provide both comfort and elegance. Fresh seasonal flowers arranged inside vintage ceramic pitchers bring nature indoors while reinforcing the cottage's relaxed atmosphere. Delicate lace runners, handcrafted tableware, and antique serving pieces celebrate traditional craftsmanship without appearing overly formal. This room beautifully illustrates how thoughtful styling can transform ordinary meals into experiences filled with warmth, hospitality, and timeless countryside charm. The kitchen perfectly demonstrates how traditional cottage aesthetics can seamlessly blend with modern convenience. Antique white shaker cabinets brighten the entire room, while soft blue lower cabinetry introduces subtle depth and personality without overwhelming the peaceful palette. Marble countertops, natural oak shelving, and classic subway tiles create layers of texture that feel elegant yet approachable. Open shelves display neatly arranged vintage dishes, glass jars, and copper cookware, turning everyday essentials into decorative features. Every element feels practical while remaining visually harmonious, creating a kitchen where cooking becomes a joyful experience surrounded by timeless craftsmanship and welcoming design. Adjacent to the kitchen, the charming breakfast nook offers one of the most inviting spaces in the entire cottage. A built-in antique white bench wraps around a rustic wooden table, while soft blue cushions and floral pillows provide exceptional comfort. Sunlight pours through oversized windows, illuminating fresh flowers, delicate curtains, and handcrafted pottery displayed on nearby shelves. This intimate corner feels perfectly suited for quiet breakfasts, afternoon tea, or simply enjoying a favorite book while watching the garden come alive outside. The simplicity of the design reminds us that luxury often comes from peaceful moments, beautiful surroundings, and thoughtful details rather than unnecessary extravagance. The master bedroom carries the same graceful language as the rest of the cottage, but here the mood becomes even more intimate and restful. Antique white walls create a gentle backdrop for layered bedding in pale blue, linen cream, and soft floral patterns that feel delicate without becoming overly ornate. A vintage iron bed frame adds character, while weathered bedside tables and ceramic lamps bring in a sense of history and calm. Framed botanical prints and embroidered textiles complete the look, making the room feel like a private sanctuary where every detail encourages rest, reflection, and quiet luxury. The guest bedroom continues the cottage story with a warm and welcoming atmosphere that makes visitors feel instantly at home. A smaller antique white bed is dressed in crisp linens, a soft blue quilt, and embroidered pillows that add texture and charm. A vintage armoire stands gracefully against one wall, offering both storage and old-world elegance. Fresh flowers in a porcelain vase, a hand-woven rug, and framed countryside artwork bring in a personal touch that feels thoughtful rather than staged. The room is simple, but that simplicity is exactly what gives it beauty, offering comfort through softness, balance, and quiet refinement. The bathroom feels like a delicate jewel box, designed with the same soothing palette but expressed through clean lines and elegant surfaces. Antique white tiles brighten the room, while soft blue cabinetry and accessories introduce a gentle vintage twist. A pedestal sink, aged brass fixtures, and a round mirror with a classic frame give the space a timeless personality. Small details such as glass jars, folded towels, and a ceramic soap dish add charm without clutter. The result is a bathroom that feels both refreshing and nostalgic, proving that practical spaces can still carry the soul of a beautifully styled cottage home. One of the most delightful parts of the cottage is the presence of small corners that serve a purpose while still feeling deeply inviting. A reading nook tucked beside a window features an antique white armchair, a soft blue throw, and a side table stacked with favorite books and decorative objects. Nearby, a compact home office blends seamlessly into the cottage aesthetic with a vintage desk, elegant storage baskets, and framed inspiration boards. These spaces show how even functional areas can feel cozy and beautiful when styled with intention. They become places for thought, creativity, and peaceful moments throughout the day. Outside, the cottage opens into a garden and patio that extend the home's charm into the landscape itself. Stone paths lead through blooming borders filled with lavender, roses, and climbing greenery, creating a dreamy outdoor frame for the house. The patio is styled with antique white seating, soft blue cushions, and rustic wooden tables that make outdoor living feel as graceful as the interior. Potted herbs, hanging baskets, and lanterns add layers of texture and atmosphere. This area captures the spirit of cottage living beautifully, where the boundary between home and garden feels soft, natural, and full of quiet delight. Light is the finishing whisper that allows this cottage to glow with its fullest charm. In the evenings, warm indoor lighting creates a gentle contrast against the cool softness of blue walls and the clean brightness of antique white finishes. Vintage sconces, glass pendant lights, and classic table lamps cast a golden radiance that makes every room feel more intimate and inviting. Natural daylight during the day reveals textures, patterns, and delicate details with ease, while nighttime lighting transforms the cottage into a calm, luminous retreat. It is this balance of brightness and warmth that completes the home's elegant vintage atmosphere so beautifully. As this tour comes to an end, the beauty of the soft blue and antique white cottage leaves a lasting impression of grace, comfort, and timeless style. Every room feels connected by a gentle rhythm of color, texture, and vintage character, showing that a home does not need to be extravagant to feel extraordinary. What makes this cottage so inspiring is its ability to feel both restful and refined, simple and elegant, familiar yet fresh. For anyone dreaming of a home with soul, charm, and enduring appeal, this cottage offers a perfect reminder that true beauty is always found in thoughtful details.